Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's almost weekend, Friday, March the 26th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. These two are the Sudokus you want. Yes, what you want are these two Sudokus to solve. And the first one I will solve is a Sudoku Light. And this one will be number 2532. Yes, 2532. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, each big square has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4 is 36. There are 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me pick the number 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number 5 in this column? 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5. Wait. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright, and I go back to the digit 3 because I see now I can place the 3 there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. How about the number 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the tools are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 3, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left. In this big square for the numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. Well, we have another 1 there, so no 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me check with another digit. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Yes, only 2 places for the 8. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. All right. And now I can continue with the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 5. No, 9. 9 is missing. All right. 2 numbers. No. 6 and 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right. 1 number left in the third column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 7. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. All right. Great. Sudoku Light. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku. How heavy? We will see. See you then. Bye-bye for now.